Welcome back to the She Speaks AI channel. Today we are going to demonstrate how to use Canva's magic right to create affirmation statements fast and easy. You can monetize these statements in a number of different ways, from journal creations to landing pages. So, grab your creative gear, and let's get started on this journalistic adventure. Don't miss out on more incredible insights and techniques from the She Speaks AI channel. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay up to date with the newest AI tools, passive income strategies, and products. Let's thrive together.
All right, so I am going to show you today how to create these affirmation statements I just came up with in less than 60 seconds. And we're going to use Canva's Magic Studio in order to do that. Now, this is a pro feature, so you do need to have a paid subscription to Canva in order to be able to do this. But this is a wonderful tool, and I actually think that this came out better than some of the other AI tools that I have used. So the first thing that I did is go to Canva, and you're going to want to create a document. So we'll just go to the document, and it's the document size, I think, is 8.5 by 11, but it doesn't matter, whatever you're doing there. And you'll see it automatically comes up with something here, but you have a plus sign. And when you click on the plus sign, the first thing you'll see is the magic right. So this is magic right inside of Canvas, Magic Kingdom, Magic Studio. And so we'll click on magic right. And now it asks you to use 5 or more words to describe what you want to write. So this is what I wrote. I can't remember what I wrote, but let's just write it again. Create 10 empowering and encouraging affirmation statements for Christian women. I think I did financial because those ones were financial. But let's see. I'm just going to, for Christian women, let's say mothers, because Mother's Day is coming up. And then that's it. I'm going to click generate. And I should have hit the timer because you see here it's going to start doing it 10 of them in less than 60 seconds. It took me more time to come up with what to ask than it did for it to do it. And then so you can read through these. You've got your prompt here. This is a prompt. And then this is what it came up with. I'm going to now click on insert, or you can do retry. If you didn't like these, you can just do retry. Something comes up and it's not appropriate, you can click this link, of course. I'm going to go ahead and insert this into the paragraph and click off. So we've got 10 here. I'm blessed with the strength and wisdom of Proverbs 31, and every day I am capable of nurturing, guiding, and loving my family with grace and resilience. This is awesome. God has entrusted me with sacred role of motherhood, and through his guidance, I am empowered to raise my children with love, patience, and godliness. Listen, what could you do with this? You can now take these words, you can actually create maybe 30 of them and create a 30-day journal for mothers. Mother's Day is coming up. How about that, sisters? So there you have it. This is how you use Canvas Magic Write. So you can also use it to extend some writing. So let's say that I'm going to just take this quote. I'm going to copy it. I'm just going to paste it here. And I'm blinking at the end here. Let me take out the quotes and the number 1. Okay. So now I'm going to click on Magic Write. Actually, I'm going to highlight it. Sorry. I'm going to highlight it. And then, yeah, you can do all these things, but now you can do your magic right. So now I can apply my brand voice. So you have the opportunity when you're on Pro to have a brand voice. You can ask it to continue writing. You can ask it to summarize. You could say rewrite it. I want it to be more fun, more formal, or sprinkle fairy dust on it. Fix the spelling. So let's click sprinkle fairy dust. So when I do that, now it gives me this kind of a story. So my odyssey as a mother devoted to the divine is a saga woven through with threads of unwavering faith in the Almighty. With each heartbeat resonating with faith and every nurturing gesture, I sculpt the morrow, creating a legacy of light for his eternal radiance. There you have it. That is fairy dust. I'm going to undo that and let's highlight that again. Magic Write. And let's say, I need you to continue writing. Write me a story about this. Let's see here. So now it's giving me a story. So I have that, but each day I strive to instill values of kindness. Listen, this can be a devotional, right? As I navigate the joys and challenges of motherhood, I find strength and prayer and solace in the knowledge that I'm not alone in this journey. With God by my side, I am equipped to nurture, teach, and inspire my children to live out their faith in a world that often challenges their beliefs. Together, we walk hand in hand, knowing that God's love and grace will always light our path. Listen, add a scripture to that, and you got a devotional. All right. Let's see what else we can do. Highlight that. All right. So we did that. And then we can say rewrite it. So my experience as a mother who followed the Christian faith showcases God's unwavering loyalty. By living out my beliefs and values, I am influencing the future child by child for his honor. Okay. So you can see there's a whole lot. Let me undo that. And I believe we have one more. Um, Not a lot to summarize, so I'm not going to choose that one. But let's choose more fun. My adventure as a super mom on a divine mission is living proof of God's loyalty. With faith as my sidekick, I'm molding many humans for a dazzling future, all for his grand showcase. Listen, how many different types of devotionals or journals or whatever could you do? And maybe this is at the bottom of a journal. Oh, there's so many ideas, but I just wanted to bring to you Canva's Magic Studio in hopes that you can create some magic with Magic Write. Let me know what questions you have in the comments. And until we meet again, be blessed, be fruitful, and multiply.